Alright, we're gonna put the cold air intake on. All the parts are here. And my brother's gonna film me while I rev it up. So I stop. Get to the airbox. Go to the airbox. Then you gotta get the flathead. This piece.
Oh shit.
I think we got it in the...
What times I take off this fucking...
That's not gonna work.
Wait, somebody look at this.
No, there's one in here in the car. I got the road dog. She's always wanting to be a part of this stuff, though. Fuck, where's it at?
Not the wheelhouse. Fuck. Where's the thing on? That's in the Honda the brake.
Shut up.
It's on the floor in the Honda the yellow one?
Oh, fuck, I can't find the... Do you see it in here? What the fuck?
Fuck, we never put that away.
Bro, you don't put nothing away.
What the fuck? I used it last, didn't I? Check the toolbox. Check the
No, it
toolbox.
wouldn't be in there.
I don't know, maybe.
I never put it in here.
I think it's in the Honda.
Actually, it's in the house. Fuck, it's in the house.
Why the fuck's in the
Because I brought it up.
Let me see that.
I brought it upstairs.
Oh, you gotta go grab it?
That should work, though.
What kind of fucking mechanic is this? Yeah, right? Anyway.
Doesn't work?
Nope, this is gonna break the teeth.
Hold on, let me call Richard. Hold on.
You're fucking close.
Dirty ass filter. I don't need that shit anymore. Is it clean inside? How does it look? It looks clean, good. No oil.
You take this part too? You gonna take this off? Or you gonna leave it?
Leave it, leave it, leave it.
It's just fucking flying. Go just grab it.
Oh shit! What? What? Yeah, leave it. Cause what the fuck? What?
Where's the sensor for this? Yeah, it's gonna throw a code, you know.
Alright, we're doing this kind of janky. We don't have a fucking, like torque wrench really.
Don't get my nuts hanging off. Just gonna follow my shirt, huh? Should be hanging out my shorts, dog.
Fucking janky. Alright, we got the sensor off. So took a little
Is this shit
long
already old or what?
for screwing, but we got it done.
Is this shit already old?
Luckily.
You got the oil, you know they're gonna clean it.
I don't know if it's
Is it-
oil for meatball.
Damn, he's fucking up his own family members for content.
Put it right here. Hopefully we catch fire.
Oh, John. He's right here working on the car with me. No, I'm just kidding. Nate's not right here. You call him. He's at home. I am. Hold on. I'll call him right now then. Hold on, I'll be right back. I ain't calling him. Bro, he's probably with his girl.
Hurry. He has a girlfriend?
No, John, Nate.
Oh.
Fucking stupid bitch. Fucking Nate's retarded. Give me the thing.
So, is it this way first?
Yeah. It's gonna have to go this way. It's gonna go right here. It's gonna like, but then it's gonna go like.
But you need this first. And then you get the clamps. How did it look in the picture?
And this is gonna go this way. Oh shit! Hey, wait!
I fucking wait. Oh. There you go. No, the clamps.
That shit looks like it's gonna go.
Because you need to get this, man. You need to put this on. To hold it up.
Where's the parking gonna go? Oh. Where's this parking gonna go? Where are you gonna drill in? I guess. Fuck, where's it?
I got zip ties.
Bro, you just fucking.
No, I got zip ties though.
No, put it the other way.
Should we just let it rattle?
What? Bro, you're gonna drive hella fucking fast and it's just gonna go bink and your fucking everything's gonna fucking fall off.
Fuck.
How far do you want it?
From you, how far?
Yeah, how fucking far do you want it in?
Like that.
Okay, it's right there. Okay, give me the clamp. Give me that clamp and then. Got the new one?
Yes, no.
Alright. I don't think this looks right. Ain't the airbox right here? We should take the airbox out.
Oh, okay, fine.
No, it's fine. You want the airbox in? Fuck it. Where you gonna put the clamp at? That's the only thing.
How do we take this off? Damn, we're gonna get really in there to take it off. Fuck that shit.
No, it's only right here.
Okay, take it all apart. Wait, take it off. Wait, take it off.
Because look at if. Hey, fucking man, fuck.
Wait.
That's it. You need to fucking stand it up though.
To the left?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
No.
Fires. Fucking shit though. I don't want my face to go on. Damn, bro. I think we'll make it.
I don't have my wallet. But she said she'll just get it tomorrow. Does it sound different?
What do you think?
Sounds the same.
You sound the same, you think?
A little bit.
I think it sounds a lot louder.
And then you got 20% tip, or you're gonna be fucking sore thumb, bro. You're gonna stick out. Damn, bro. I need to fucking.
It feels like the throttle feels a lot more responsive. Oh my. I should have done a before and after, but honestly, I feel the difference. The throttle feels so much more responsive. Dude, this is crazy.
Well, thanks to mechanical Nico, fucking this guy, they'd be there all night. See, we can work around the car, so that's why you're just tripping. You're like, I'm gonna leave the box there, I'm gonna leave it in the box.
You want to drive after?
Yeah, I don't have my glasses.
Fuck, man. It's fine.
I love my. Bro, I was fucking. Shh.
Huh?
I was fucking doing my shit, bro. I'll drive tomorrow. I love my glasses in the fucking house. I was like getting done, bro. It was only gonna take like 30 minutes to turn into an hour.
I don't know why. Alright, it's been a couple of days since I installed the intake, so I'm gonna get a cold start and then I'm gonna show you what we did to it, or what we did do to it, and how we did it. There's a bracket for it, but I didn't get it, or I didn't do it right, so I gotta get a bracket and make it custom. My light. You have a light? A light. I don't know if you can hear me, but here it is. It's like a short ram intake with the air box like right there. There's a little air inlet that's right there. I just got gas and now I'm doing a little video on the induction noise just so you can hear it and stuff. So let me place it somewhere that is safe and secure. Right there.